little programmer students of Egypt and Arab world. So far now we learned about how to fix the clear component when you use the image, and also we saw how to apply the opacity to the images, right? Now we will see how to apply the hover effect to the transparent images. Okay, so let's get in. Okay, so first what I do is I want to just download some images. Okay, yeah, so let me, okay, first I have here, better we'll use those images. Go to desktop, I have some images in, yeah, so just copy and go to here and paste it again, one more, copy, paste it here. Okay, yeah, some images I loaded here. All right, now what we do is I am creating, I will just load these images first, and yeah, so here images are there, so just copy this image, tag, and paste it. Only what I'm changing is I'm changing the name of the image, that's it. Okay, yeah, first cross check once whether the image 2 3 is scene 2 3, and those are GFIF, right? Okay, so yeah, right. Now save this. Now what I'm applying here, I have applied the opacity for all the images, and also now I'm applying the hover effect. So hover, yeah, hover, so opacity 1.0. Okay, why I'm using here 1.0? Because whenever I just put my mouse pointer on the images, it should be the clear image. Okay, let's see. Go to the web page. Okay, refresh. Yeah, you can see here. See, once I keep my mouse pointer on the images, the opacity is changing to the 1, right? It means the clear image we can see, right? So this is how you can apply the hover to your images. Now, how to apply the transparent box here? Instead of using these images, how to apply the transparent box? So for that, what we have to do is again opacity to the boxes. Okay, yeah, so now what I'm doing here, so instead of these images, okay, I'll just remove these images. All right, okay, let's do one thing. We'll create a new file better instead of deleting everything. Yeah, so go back, just copy this part, go to your new file, paste it here, and first you save your file index7.html. Yeah, so now, okay, close the style tag and also open the body tag and h1, so transparent box. Okay, and so write some p, this is a paragraph, copy this part, yeah, control V and close your p tag. And next I'm creating the div elements over here. So div class is equals to first, and open the p tag in it. Okay, what you are writing inside the div element, that you have to write. Okay, and also close the div element. So just to copy this part, and you can, yeah, and just change this, yeah, first, second, third. Okay, do one thing, we'll delete this, we'll keep only 3. And the last one is also a div content, but opacity 1, default, and close the p tag and close the div. Alright, now here you can see the opacity is 0.1 we are applying here, and 0.3, yeah, and 0.6. Okay, so I want to show how the shade will be applied to this. Okay, so save this and also close the body tag and the HTML tag. Now let's move to the style part. So how to style this? So now what we do is we are using the classes. First we are creating the div element for applying the style for the div element. So the whole div element I'm talking about. So div background color, so that will be, I want to apply the green here, and padding 10 pixel. Okay, and now let's start with the div dot first. So opacity, how much we have mentioned here? 0.1, right? So apply the opacity 0.1, sorry, yeah. And next div dot second, apply the opacity 0.3, because for the second we applied here 0.3, I mean mentioned, not applied. Okay, so div dot again third, so opacity I'm applying here, that is 0.6. All right, let's get in. Yeah, so go to the web page. Okay, this is a new file. Control O, come down, index 7, open. Yeah, you can see here the opacity is applied, right? We are applying the opacity for the whole div element. Okay, so opacity 0.1, opacity 0.3, 0.6. Sorry, it's written here 0.6. Yes, 0.6, opacity 1 by default it is. It is the default one, so 0. Yeah. All right. Hope you understood this, how to apply the opacity and how it looks like after applying. Okay. Now we are going to see how to apply a box inside the text. I mean, how to apply the box. In the background will be, there is a background image, and there you are creating a box, and inside the box again some text will be there. So how to fix this, how to design this, let's see that. So now what I'm doing is yeah, so better I'll use in this part. Okay, better we'll create a new file again. So just not to make you guys confused, I'm creating the new files. Copy, paste, yeah, and close the style, yeah, and open the body tag and close the body and close the HTML. Okay, now first I'm creating a div element here. Class is equals to background is my class name, and come down, I'm creating one more div element here, and I'm creating a class for it. So that will be around trans box is my class name. And next I'm creating a paragraph here to just to write something inside that box. So again I'm writing here, this is a paragraph. Okay, so yeah, this much is enough, I guess. Okay, and next close the p tag and come down, close the div, both the divs we have to close it. Next, So now how to fix this? Let's see. We have to do some stylings for the box and the image both. So what I'm doing here, first I'm writing the style for background class. I meant for the first div element. Now background, here I'm setting the background. Okay, sorry, background, only background. Yeah, so background URL, I have to fix it here first. So the URL will be yeah, scene. Okay, sorry, so yeah, scene 1.gif. All right, and then repeat. Okay, and also applying the border for this, that is 2 pixel solid black. And next div dot trans box, open this margin, I'm applying here margin from 30 pixel, and padding, not padding, background color you can apply, so that will be, I'm just mentioning here, yeah, and then border around 1 pixel and a solid and black. And next opacity I'm applying here, that will be 0.6. Okay, and next, see, we applied this part for the box. I mean, its image will be there, inside that box will come, inside the box some content will come. Okay, so now we have to do the styling for trans box B. Okay, so margin some 5%, and font weight will be around bold, and then color of the text will be, let's make it black. Yeah, sorry, yeah, we did not save this. Okay, save this, index8.html. yeah, save this. Okay, let's go to the web page. Let's see how it is applying. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, the image is not applied. All right,